Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY for Monday, British Pound Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBPJPY in front of us right now, and as we can clearly see that GBPJPY is a beautiful uptrend and still it is an uptrend. If you have watched my previous videos on GBPJPY, then you can recognize these lines because we made good profit at this particular level, and right now you can see that market is standing at the support line again. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBPJPY, what are the best trading opportunities and many more. So first and foremost, I would like to discuss about the trend of the market, because we know it very well that the thumb rule, the basic rule of the market is follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And overall trend of the market is kind of messed up, okay, because we can see that overall trend is it looks like a sideways market. Okay, it looks like a sideways market, and if we just focus on the present trend of the market here, then we can see that this market is in uptrend. Okay, overall trend is sideways and right now market is in uptrend. So if we look at the overall picture here, okay, if we look at the overall picture of GBPJPY here, then there is a good possibility that market will be reaching this level, because overall market is in sideways. Okay, and right now market is in bullish. Market looks bullish. So we should mainly look for buying opportunity right now, because right now market is going up and market is constantly making higher highs here. So apart from this resistance level, we have this trend line which is acting as a support for a market. You can see that whenever market is going down, market is taking support at this trend line, which clearly signifies that this trend line is a valid support and there should not be any doubt. And right now you can see that on Friday during the last trading session, market just closed at the trend line, and if you just look at the last three candles here, you can see that though there was selling pressure from above, market did reverse. Okay, which try to understand the market psychology here, try to understand the market emotion here. Though there was selling pressure from above, but still there was price rejection from below. But during the last couple of hours there was heavy selling pressure, but still market managed to take support at the trend line. So this trend line is still a valid support to the market. And apart from this trend line, we have 151.50 as the next support for the market. In case on Monday market fails to hold the support and comes down, then we can hope that this line or this level will be acting as the next support for the market. Okay, and we have a strong support at 149.50, not required for Monday. Okay, I have already discussed in my other videos, so this level is not important for Monday, so we won't be going on detail. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 74% retail traders have taken short position and 25% retail traders have taken long position. You will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com. This is my website avilashhazarika.com. Under Forex 101 section, you will find the Forex sentiment meter. So 74% have taken short position, and this is the market. Okay, and you can see the market is in uptrend and they have taken short position, and this is the main reason. Okay, this is the main reason why 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money, because they fail to follow the trend of the market. Market is in uptrend and they have short the market. If you look at the Euro USD, we all know it very well that Euro USD is very bullish right now, and you can see that 76% traders have taken short position. And this is the main reason why retail traders lose money, because they always stand against the trend of the market. Okay. And my dear friends, recently I have also launched the Pro Trader program, where you can be a part of my daily analysis, where I'll be sharing my analysis and the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you want to know more about the program, just go through the information. You'll find it on the Pro Trader tab on the website. Okay. And if you want to learn from me, if you like the trading, my trading style, then you can join the workshop. You can sign up for personal classes with me. Again, you'll find everything on the website under for workshops section. Okay. So let's discuss what should be our strategy for Monday then. So first and foremost, you can see that market is just standing at the support here at the trend line. So let the market open on Monday and just see how the price is reacting, how the price is doing after the market opening. If you see that price is respecting the trend line, price is taking support at the trend line, then that is a good sign. You can go for buy. You can go for buy. Just make sure that you have a confirmation. Your confirmation will be in the form of a hammer pattern or a green candle. If you see a hammer pattern or a green candle at the trend line, then we'll get the confirmation that yes, market is taking support. On the other hand, if market breaks the trend line on Monday, do not short the market, because overall market is an uptrend. Okay, if you short the market, then you may get trapped, you'll end up making a loss. So do not short the market if market breaks the trend line also. Then just wait for the market to come down and take support at this level, 151.50. So there is a good possibility that if market breaks the trend line, then market will take support at this line or level and market will bounce. So these two are the trading opportunities on GBP JPY for Monday. Okay, and if you are already in a position, then you can be on the trade. Do not exit from the trade as long as market forms a red candle or breaks the trend line. Clear? So this is it. Hopefully I've understood what should be a strategy for Monday. Okay. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again. Bye bye.